Hi, this is me Sneha. So 2 weeks back I had uploaded a story on Instagram asking you all to drop your assumptions regarding art related stuff. And so here I am busting your myths regarding art. Since most of you all prefer to be anonymous, I won't take your names. Okay, let's begin now. First one says traditional art is being ignored because of advanced technology. Well, that's not completely true. Because despite the rise of the internet, there are millions of art collectors who are still preferring to buy artworks in physical form in millions, while this digital age has only paved way to the rise of digital art more. So yeah, that's not true. Second one is you need to get a formal education to become a professional artist. Well, I believe that the real proof is in the work. So, although art colleges might teach you art techniques and about art history, it's okay if you don't join one because let's take for instance, there are plenty of artists, including Van Gogh, who have made it without any art degree. At the end, it's what your work speaks, right? Plus, plenty of practice is what you have to do, even if you go to a college or not. So yeah, but hey, like everything has its pros and cons. The pro side is that you get to meet like-minded people if you join an art college. I mean, that's what I think. The third one is artists are born and gifted. I have heard this like millions and zillions of times, which is not true, not at all. We have grown up with this misconception that people are born with drawing skills, which is not true always. Of course, I don't deny child prodigies, but if someone draws a stunning piece and we struggle to make even a line, we think that we're not good at it. Well, let me tell you, that's not the case, not at all. So relax. All it takes is your practice, dedication, and hard work, and no skill will come to you automatically unless you master it every passing day. This also reminds me of a quote which goes like this: hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Yeah. Okay, next, moving on to number 4 is that creativity happens magically. Well, we are not unicorns, guys. I think it's a common myth that artists are genius and they can do anything at any given point. But you know what? It takes days or sometimes even months for an inspiration to hit before starting that art or design piece. So yeah. Number 5. Artists must suffer to get inspiration. They do not necessarily like suffering. I mean, who does? And mostly artists like to remain isolated to focus on their work. I think this particular assumption is coming from the fact that artists do channelize their emotions through their artwork, as a way to express. It's not necessary that they have to suffer. I mean, inspiration hits from being happy as well. Okay, so that's it for this video now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any more suggestions, please consider dropping it below. And until next time, guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.